Friends, very good morning to all. We have come across most of the information which related to the information systems and security. Very essentially factors required for the information security. Then what are all the various classes, categories. And now you have to go with threats, how which are going to be in a different manner of attack and the different manner of the hacking strategies. You can find out, you can call it as a threats. Because physically threat is different, logically threat is different, and combined together physical and logical threats, how we can just make a classification. What all the threats are available, we'll go one by one. I hope threat is a very dangerous aspect because you say in which way our cell and similarly system which are going to be known factors, understanding with the various configuration status, and finally they used to go with they have their own level of contents which are going to be leaked, contents which are going to be steal, content which are going to be revealed from the state of the information systems. We can call it as threat, and which are very potential danger to the whole entrepreneur, whole information system, and any sort of an organization or the institution, you can say. And we have a classes of three different categories. If any sort of a threats which are going to be happen, you can say one is unstructured. We are not in a position to see what are all the highly understandable, reliable, and we can make use a software setup environment and come to know how the gathering flow. You can say one is called unstructured, another one is a structured. With the help of a software events are available, the setup package, compatibility of the user interfaces, user extension level of the programs are available, and similarly highly structured. Even though in the structured, a medium level and the structured which are going to be somewhat superior, we can say highly structured, and two types of threats according that one, mainly because in which way the public and the private level, and we can classify one among, we can say one is internally and other one is called an external way of how the threats which are going to be happen. We will go one by one. See, we have like a 360-degree angle, the external test to be information security. We can find out because who are all the manpower, who are all the user, who are all the organizing people, who are all the, I mean, we can say human threats which are to be. See, which are in the form of a message sending, message transaction, message stealing, message leakage. We can say from the user who are available in the information system, in the institution, in the organization, we can say those informations are basically called human threats. Physical security threats. See, we can say if we have a reliable one, most reliable one, even though you are using the connectivity part of the interface or the port connectivity or the cable connectivity, what we can say a physical security threats. Through the help of the components available, which are going to be very essentially required for the development, very essentially required for the improvement, very essentially required for the changes which are going to be take place. No, those you can physically find out in which way the stealing of an information, the revealing of an information which are available, you can say physical security threats. And in both the case, there should be a documentary and they should be proper. Suppose one level of a threat to, second level of a threat to, facing level of a threat to, layer approaches of a threat to, we can have a legal threats are there. Illegally, something is going to be handled and you have to be mentioned some sort of a policy and the documentary and the coding nature of that one. There should be some sort of legal threats which should be already exists in the documentary, and the other threats which are in the over above circle, like beginning from human threats to connectivity, legal approaches, and similarly which are going to be effect to the society, and the financial crisis related to, in which way the set of instruction package software related to, and similarly if the interface of the communication and the security threats, so and basically moreover a network security. Other than this, human threats, so physical security threats, so legal threats, so social and economical threats, so software threats, so communication paradigm threats, so and moreover network security threats, which are not comes under the group, we can say other threats. Social and economical threats. See, you would like to go with like a minimization level, the maximization level of a profit, and there should not be any sort of the problem and the effect and the impact to the society. Social threats. Similarly, if we are going to be make sure that these threats are going to be happen, how we can go for recover, restore, and the malfunction you can easily block. Correct? No, there should not be any sort of economical or financial threats. Similar manner, we can get through that one a set of instructions. Correct? No, from the software itself only. We have most of the option from the OS to the various application levels of the software what we are using the system for the development for the any sort of a project work or any sort of the work which are going to be in a programming paradigm which are not in a compatible, there should be some sort of a software links or the shortcut links are there. From that also we have a chances of stealing the information and revealing the information. You can mention those comes under the category of software threats. And moreover, if you have a system so and the users are available, in order to maintain, in order to go with correct no or it may be, and in order to just make use of the facility, then there should be a communication. See, maybe a switch based to hub based to router based to gateway based to segment based to, and from all WiMAX, Wi-Fi, correct? No? These are all also some sort of threats which are going to be happening. Because what will happen? There should be a restriction. We can go for configuration ourselves only this particular Wi-Fi to be restricted for the guest, to restricted for the visitor, or restricted for the VVIP. So you might be observed very clearly. Today, I can give a very simple example because of the pandemic or the COVID-19, the coronavirus, which are provide most of the learning strategy. See, if you go for setting up the Google Meet, Microsoft, various type of online tools, so WebEx, so Cisco standard, so Zoom, correct? No, we can easily restrict. See, myself is talking, and we don't have. We are not supposed to just go with any sort of a communication simultaneously. Similarly, there should not be any video because my presentation, which comes in the form of video, simultaneously, if yourself also, then these are going to be some sort of a threats because we are not in a position to understand what you are saying, and you yourself also not in a position what myself is saying, correct? No? One to another, some sort of, because you are going to be mixed up and say that one some sort of a threats which are going to be happen in the paradigm of communication. If say communication, a communication is once again the backbone of a network technology. See, without that one, you can't just find a communication network. That means to say how we can go for connecting, go collecting, go. Similarly, how we can go for interfacing, go. And number of components we can see. Cable is there, patch cards are there, and similarly, how we can make you like a uh, uh, as a policy matter of the public and similarly private organization. Today, we have taken example because of national network, and also we have like a various type of GPS standard, global position system standard. We can get through most of the information from the satellite link, most of the information from the satellite link. Is it possible? There should be a chances of, there should be a provisional level of in which way they can usually you can easily get the network security threats also. Please keep in mind, other than factors which are going to be threats outside the environment, you can classify the user level, okay, say human threats, so in which way the components are there, the physical security threats. So, and there should be documentary evidence which are going to be malfunction, which are going to be steal or reveal more legal threats. So, other than all we have listed like a social, economical, financial crisis, so set of instruction packages, so communication, so interfaces, so network, we can call it as other threats. You got it now very clearly. The external threats to the information security as part and partial of in which way, which are going to be steal, reveal, flow of an exchange in an organization. No? We can find out these are all the level of external threats. Similarly, internal threats. We can see, observe a caution which used to be beginning, generating from within the organization. If you say the underlying internally, which are going to be generate originality from the within the organization, the primary contributor to the internal threats are basically those who are employees, those who are a permanent staff, those who are like a ad hoc staff, those who are temporary, correct? No? Because which are enhancing the flow of a threat call. Similarly, revealing a flow of an exchange from the organization internally because of implies how they are going to be behave, how they are going to be maintain their attitude. Because myself talking to the X or Y, how is going to be free, steal the information, correct? These are contractors. Because within the organization, in the organization, we have like a various vendors. In the sense, suppose you would like to buy a computers, you would like to buy a printer, you would like to buy a table, chairs, whatnot, correct? No, you have to go with a various vendor, a person, a building, correct? No, contractor. Contractor in the sense, who are the mediator, who are the exposer, the flow of an exchange within the organization outside, supplier to whom work is outsourced. See, we have an example of if you go with designing our own website, web server, our own mail server, correct? No, used to outsource. If you go for launching some sort of entertainment event, some of the program which related to Onam, correct? No, whatever it may take an example, would like to plan for designing that particular website or web page or whatnot we can going to be launched. These are regular, but used to give it to somebody, correct? No, you can call it outsourcing to the expert, those who can be able to do according to our plan of action, according to our willingness, so according to our in which way we expecting an output from that one, we can call it as outsource. That means to say the threats are going to be happen from the employees, so from the contractors, so those who are mediator to the organization, educational institutions, university, suppliers, so whom work is outsourced. So that means to say who are all the part of designing and who are all part of managing the resources and in which way we expecting as like a project. The major threats are frauds. That means to say they have their own plan. They used to be come it very close and say something goes wrong, then we are not in a position to just trace out and track out what happened, correct? No, through this person, because is we can say one and the other way they used to misuse of an information, restriction, destruction of information. Suppose we have a web flow of an information, no? We plan like first semester, second semester, third semester, fourth semester, and unnecessary, correct? No, if they have an idea how they used to be attacked, how they used to be go with like a spam, how they used to go with like a steal information, the chances of destruction of the flow of an information. Many internal threats primarily, which are going to be originating because of this following reason. We can say weak security policy. Today, we can observe the latest technologies, especially you can say come across big data analytics, so clouding environment, correct? Now, you are finding very difficult to storage, even though We can make use any sort of a device, a cellular phone device. If you are using a jukebox, which are going to be magnetic tape. Nowadays, very rarely you can see the magnetic tape. Any sort of a movie, Bahubali, you can take an example of your own, correct? No? Whatever it may be, villain, correct? No? Which comes with a storage device of like in which way the digital flow, digital user environment extension of the flow. If anywhere else, if the chances of weak level of a security policy, you are not setting up properly, correct? No? Today, before even after release of 1 day or 2 day of that particular movie, in which way they spent a lot of money, the producer, correct? No, we are seeing in, correct? No, and the YouTube, or in which way the channel which are going to be provided some sort of a glimpse of that one. That means to say there is no proper level of a security policy measure through that one. These are important reasons behind it, significant factors behind it, in which way the internal threats are going to be happen. Weak security administration, you are come across very clearly, correct? No, if you go with like today, we are finally the end of the semester of the existing. Still, you are unable to find in which way the flow of an information which are not in a manageable as like in which way expecting online, correct? No, because of weak security administration. You can find out. That means to say we need to be understand parallelly, concurrently, find out if one class you immediately another class, how we can set up the virtual lab facility, correct? No, these are the things are paradigm of that. It come because not today, but we are learning many of the aspects from this one corona. But if we have any sort of administration, supervision, authority, those who are not in a perfect manner, this is also going to be still correct. No, who are all there, understand the weak level of a security of administration, chances of threat option which are going to be come from internally. Lack of user security awareness. There should not correct now. Even though today I'm using so inform anybody can catch hold the flow, correct now. I need not to attend the class of this or I can do my own, correct now. They can take a chunk of the image, they can take the chunk of the PPT, whatever it may be. But a person should well verse with what are all the awareness, knowledge about insights of the security aspect. Those are, we find it very clearly. If what we observe, the external security or the external security threats, which are much more predominant, much more a contributory for insecurity environment. If you are following, you are not going to be clear this weak security policy, weak security administration, and even lack of user security awarenesses, then these are the internal threats going to be in small way, then it will going to be create this open space and finding very difficult in which we can later stage can go for blocking, go filtering, very difficult. Layered security and defense in depth. That means to say, if you have observed, I have given like some sort of a approaches of the layer approach, beginning from the simple data information. You can go with like how we can remember, how we can go for usability, how we can go for applying, how we can go for accommodate the flow of an information, how we can go for evaluate, how we can go for remember. On to another layer which gives a layered security, defense in depth, correct? No? That means to say, especially they have their own policy, decision is in case of what we are using, a defense, especially in case of secured layer approaches, synchronization, which are apart. Just you take an example, a pictorial representation of a system, the kernel of the system, there should be having its own CMOS setup and which covers with a network security. That means to say interfacing. That's why which a complete correct no a dark layer approaches which gives there should be kernel approaches. So internally how which are going to be manageable. host platform security layer surrounded by interfacing or the communication related stuffs. We can call it as network security layer approaches. See, including the kernel, including the system, and then followed by a software which are going to be useful for the next level. Then there should be an application, correct? You can say how the application flow, and you can see the access level control like a read, write, execution provision to the system, the complete, correct. Now, if you have like a supercomputer, if you have like a mainframe, if you have like a workstation, so if you have like your own, correct. Now, in which way the personal MMX standards, you can say inter-message processor, which are there. Every type of a component, every type of an item, which are comes under layered approach to security. This is a clear security layer of a host platform security within a kernel. Similarly, surrounded by network security layer, surrounded by application which are going to be launched, then surrounded by how the attribute functionality, especially within the flower bracket, we can say read functionality, write functionality, execution functionality. See, we understand very clearly what is the function of the read, what is the function of the write, what is the function of execution. Correct. Once you read, there is no write option at all. If you have a write, then both updation, both readable and as well as execution. If you have an execution, only the execution permission. You don't have a read and read option is there. We don't have a write option. Correct. Now, I think a simple example, once you can go with the ls minus al of the environment, can understand that is a security, clear, full-fledged security to the folder, to the file, to the system. Correct. How we can set up the attribute of the read write level permission, physical, and moreover a complete component. If you make a cross section, you can see the kernel, you can see the interface, you can see the application, you can see what are the different type of an access control. But whole set of physical, correct, no, component looks like a simple layer approach security. Simple layer approach security. How the dominating. And now see, most of the time the word is very correct, no, understandable in such a way that is it very essentially required. Enemy, myself, I having my own enemy within my body, correct. No, you can say which are not going to be responsive, which are not going to be positive to my, correct. No, in which we can say in similar fashion we can say what they are going to do. If you say enemy to the system, enemy to the complete organization, what are they? We can say another way, offenders, crackers, mostly teenagers doing as intellectual challenge, correct? They used to take, is it possible? I don't want to study regularly. I can study only tomorrow examination. Before that one day, that's more than sufficient. Correct? No? How more doing intellectual challenge? They need not to be just go with information systems criminals, espionage. Similarly, fraud, abuse for a national company, entrepreneur, educate, gain a competitive advantages over in which way they reveal rivals who are all going to be make an attack. Vandals, authorized users and strangers, crackers are criminals. Because in which way the part of the security, cyber security, which are comes under some of the important enemies or the offenders, you can find out in a different one is a crackers, information system criminals, vandals, and you can see which are going to be motivated direct to, from the individual organization independently and lifelong. And what are the motivation for a cyber criminal? Power assurance to restore a criminal self-confidence or a self worth to low aggregation. Example, usually what will happen, we can set I have a hope such a way that nothing is going to be anybody stealing information. But who are all there like enemies, intruder, they have an idea of how we can get in without our knowledge, immediately, correct? No, instead of displaying a web page, you can find out only the hacking flow. Power assertive, restore criminal self-confidence or self-worth through moderate high aggression means how the victim flow of the information which are going to be. A retaliatory person, no group, no institution, no symbolic representation, no correcting name of an injustice, so and sometimes like derive gratification which automatically pain and suffering for others and profit oriented material gain, correct? No, used to say this is meant for my own independent level of understanding. I need not to be given a profit, correct? No, like that way. So comes under various other classes of criminal of cyber. A clear picture of the risk, threats, or vulnerability. If you have a risk, a chances of disruption to the educational system. If you take an educational institution, a chances of disruption. And because if you are taking an image with respect to the disruption, it loses, correct? No, you have a great loss. No further improvement, no further, correct? No, today you are seeing like because of how the financial crisis which happened because of the catastrophic event of from the nature of this virus, correct? No, loss of privacy, no security we can easily maintain well. There is no standard level of a protocols. Damage to reputation. You say that correct. Okay, earlier so and so the results are used to come early and the easy way of the correct now. But anyway, it's a black gap, a damage to reputation. It will take its own time. Loss of confidence. I don't have hope because my students are attending a class. Correct now. I hope they get more knowledge, they get more information, they get easily more insight which related to the information. But if you are not showing your interest, the loss of confidence automatically comes. Legal penalties. So you used to say, correct, no? If you go one level, correct, no? You are observing, correct, no? Person is absconding for any sort of a malfunction happening, correct, no? There should be various other penal codes are there. First one, second one. Today you are seeing correctly in which way the FIR going to be filed for penalties, filed for what are all the impact which are going to be. Similar fashion, if the layer approaches of the security which are going to be insecure, similarly the system level low, communication level low, network level low, for all the penalties are legal penalties are there. Impaired growth, chances of growth automatically which very close to the x-axis. A loss of life. These are all the various. Exactly what it says because of threats. Employees are not happy, unsatisfactory, dishonest employees. They will say, correct, no, I'm not in a position to accept any sort of in which way you're going to salary. Similarly, what are the other sort of perks? Wages, so DEA, correct, no? And also which way you are not in a position to support for research and development. These are all comes to a picture. Criminals, that means to say, if you are not going to listen my words, I'll make some sort of criminal, correct, no? These are obvious. You can find out if any particular organization in the educational institution, they are not following, then a criminal. So government, so supporting, correct, no? What is meant by government? Court is there, law is there, judiciary is there, which are all come. Now you see that in the public domain, in the private domain, any sort of a malfunctions, any sort of a insecurity going for both, for also, against also, you can find a support of so and so government, correct now? On for with in which way their legal activity and the against in which way they are going to be legal activity. These are all on with respect to threats. The press, today media, provide, correct no? Is a main role, key roles of any sort of people. They used to live highly comfortable, correct? No, they can make themselves only printed media, press in the sense printed media, competitors, hackers, nature in the sense you can take an example of a threat call from the coronavirus in which we are facing all sort of correct. No, we are not in a position to come up our own idea in which we started up to 2018 2019 level of our progress suddenly decrease, suddenly reduce, suddenly dragged such a way that because of nature of this virus. Hackers, they used to be correct now. Immediately they make use this type correct now. They used to say hackers in the sense not just the state of stealing information. You can find out ourselves only. If you go to the any market, if you go to the any sort of a call center, if you go to the any type of a city center, correct now you are so happy. Time being, you can buy one, another one is get free. And the percentage wise, they will say, if you go like a Peter England, correct now, buy two set, third set is free. Similar 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 1 plus 3, like various. But we observe such a way that qualitatively, this also some sort of a hacking, correct? In which way they are going to be misused, even personification. They misuse your way of interest, correct? No? These are all comes under threats. One class which goes to be multiplied with vulnerability, software bugs. Ladies and gentlemen, today, if we have a license of Microsoft, then time being you can find out a different level of a bugs one to another while using on the desktop, while using on the laptop, while using on the correct now interfacing. I'll give an example. Suppose we are executing a C programming using Turbo C, which is most compatible to the Windows environment. But same exe we can't run on Linux environment. Because why? Because just a line of a code which is going to be given output, correct? No, just a Fabulous C. Similarly, find odd number, even number, quadratic equation, whatever it may be, you are writing. But same sort of an exe file, which is a, say binary file, may not be executable on the multi-programming, multitasking. These are the different type of vulnerabilities. Broken process. You can say a chances of level of sequential order of a process which are going to be take place in between, correct? Now, due to various other reasons, interlinking connectivity not in a proper order. Similarly, in which way the flow of which goes from one to another, not in, you can find out eh, a broken of various processes. Ineffective controls. See, I'll tell you, I can go with my class today, but if any chance of network failure, I could not able to do any sort of, even though I prepared, you also present in a positive sense, but if any chances of networking failure, we can say ineffective control. We are not hardware flash, same as it is. Suppose if the device is not in a position to give the performance qualitative factors, then these are all the problems. Business change, correct? Now you have to mention because whatever the profit which are going to be take considerable from the business of X, we are not expecting same thing in Y, correct? Now that is going to be correct. Now suddenly we can't get a more profitable one. But the mind, what it says, mindset, we can change that one. Legacy of a system, correct? No, is these are the patches are available for this Windows environment too. These are the patches are not going to be matched for the internet usage and the system of the performance. So inadequate how the programming background, correct? No, you can say BCP. Chances of a user error factors. These are all. Keep in mind, if you go with these are all the levels of a threats which much more multiply with the various reasons of the vulnerability, we have a risk. We have a risk. That means to say we are not in a position to get a better business and we are not in a position to get a good financial profit and the privacy is also not up to the mark, and the reputation of the institution, the reputation of the organization is totally inadequate, and a chances of confidence becomes low, and the penalties which are going to be keep on increasing because of in which the classes specify in case of a threat as well as vulnerabilities, and the growth is automatically reduced, and finally life of the component, life of the system, life of the organization is going to be not in a specific level of a futuristic event. These are all, if you take a level of a risk exactly equivalent with a multiplication of various reasons of vulnerability, and in which we can face a different type of threats which are available to us. And types of damage. Types of damage, we can say in which way which are going to be aggressively provide, destroying, unavailable of services, and the resources are not up to the mark. One is called the interruption level program. Similarly, interruption is once again destroying the software related stuff, so destroying the unavailable of the resources. So interception is another one. Unauthorized parties snooping or getting access to your resource. We are very close, correct? Now you say that one. If a person as a friend, not known to the information flow, is easily accessible to the environment, easily accessible to the nature, in which the border. These are the problem used to face like a border of one country to another country. In which way today we are so happy to say living in a very comfortable building, correct? No environment, but we can find out lot of and lot of information modification which go together, unauthorized party modifying a resource, correct? No, suppose a person is not available, if any sort of alteration, any sort of information which are going to be, then these are also some damage. Then finally fabrication, unauthorized party inserting fake, and if any sort of damaging to the asset, damaging to the resource, we can call it as, these are all a different type of a classes of aspects which are going to be create more threats and damage to the whole organization. We can say one among interruption, interception, modification, fabrication, we can call it as one to another. And next class, I hope I'll just go further what are the components of a threat. So, and today what we discuss so far, risks, so threats, so vulnerabilities, so what are the various type of reasons are available, how we can proceed, and what are the motivations of the cyber criminal, and how we can get enemy factor which are offenders, so crackers, so information systems, so and correct, no, how we can get one to another, some of the terminology which are comes under the threat, a potentially cause of an incident which results, correct, no, impact impulse to the organization, no, and especially any property, any asset which are going to be much more weak. And finally, the risk, these are all the layer approach of the security we come across from the backbone of the kernel to the high level. These are all completes the information with respect to layered